Hello guys, welcome back. Now, so guys, in this session, I'll just explain a very what to say simple topic called sample document. Generally, what happened, guys? The sample document is end user transaction, right? But still, sometimes what happened, guys? People ask question. There was a question earlier. So there is a question from Hardik. We have just finished optimization. That is already finished in the previous session. That is the part of APP, right? So as I said, APP is still not completed, right? But in between, I'm just explaining because document posting was already completed, but this topic is not covered yet. And I think I also left this topic that whenever I'll be having less timing, then less time and all, then I'll cover these small topics and all. So that's what I decided to cover this one today. So now guys, we are talking about sample document, right? So now, what is this sample document, right? Can anybody explain what is this sample document? Anyone is having any idea? Okay. So earlier guys, in interview, there was a question asked by interviewer. This one was the question. Can we reverse a sample document? Right? So whenever any such kind of questions are there, the answer will be either yes or no, right? If you say yes, you have to justify. If you say no, then also you have to give a justifications, right? Now, so there is an answer from Ajaz, monthly bills. Okay. So guys, generally what happened? Sample document, this is treated as a reference document. Okay. I'll tell you. I'll put a very simple example. Okay. In my previous implementations, we had a GL account called office maintenance account. Okay. This was the GL account. Now, so guys, office maintenance account means like this GL account they created because like since corporate office is there, right? So in that multiple small activities are happening, right? As I said, like they had a big campus in that multiple small parks, gardens were there, right? In order to manage that, they are going to invite some outside laborers and all. Those people used to charge money on daily basis, right? If any plumbing related work is there, right? Electrician related works is there, right? Somewhere the fuse got that bulb is fused or tube light or any such kind of small activity. So there was a guy from admin department. He was responsible to manage all such kind of things. Okay, he was a local guy. He used to invite even local laborers and all the money was distributed by him only. So when we talk about like local laborers or else any plumber is coming or any electrician is coming to do some small electric works and all. So these people will charge amount in cash basis only, right? In the sense they were charging cash amount. So this transaction was the part of. Like this account was getting posted with the help of cash journal only. Okay, it was getting posted through cash journal. Now here, what happened? Now that guy, that from admin department, he left the organization. Then what happened, guys? One third party came into picture. Okay, third party came into picture. In the sense, there was a local guy. He was running a kind of small farm was there. Okay, farm in the sense like, so small farm in the sense like he took a contract actually. Okay, what kind of contract, guys? When they need laborers to maintain this gardens or whatever the office later, the other maintenance and all. So he used to deliver this laborers and all. Any electrician related work, plumbing related work. This entire tender was taken by that local guy only. Local guy in the sense that local firm, right? And he used to send the invoices, like whatever activity has taken place in a complete week, right? So he used to collect the amount on what to say this weekly basis. Okay, weekly basis he used to collect the amount. Now what happened? These people said that okay, we did that office maintenance account is going to be, it is supposed to be removed. This is supposed to be removed from cash general, and that we are going to be posted. It is going to be posted in the form of normal JB, journal voucher, due to certain reason. So what is happening, guys? Earlier cash journal, right now it is going to be posted in the form of JB. Okay. Now, so generally, what is happening, like whichever activities are there, all these activities, it is going to be posted in the form of office maintenance, and bank account is going to be like your bank account is going to be credited. This office maintenance is going to be debited, right? Uh, So here, what is happening, guys? Similar transactions are taking place every time, right? Every after 3 days, or every after 4 days, or every after 2 days, or every week it is taking place, right? So every time, what while posting the transaction, first of all, they have to give debit GL, they have to give credit GL, they have to specify certain header text reference, whatever it is, right? Business area or something, or else cost center, profit center, they are going to specify, right? So now what happened, guys? So, and same detail every time they have to fill up. Same detail every time they are going to fill up, guys. The only difference will be amount. Sometime 5K, right? Sometime it could be 10K debit and 10K credit, right? Sometime it could be 15K, sometime it could be 6K. Different amounts will be there, right? But remaining all the details will be same. This one is going to be debited, bank account is going to be credited. Bank account is going to be credited. So now what is happening, guys? So such kind of, instead of entering all the details time and again, right? We can create a sample document, right? And with the help of sample document, no need to do anything. Simply we are going to post the transaction with the reference. So I'll just tell you one thing. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, guys, in order to post any transaction as a sample with the reference, like let's suppose I have to post a transaction, right? With the reference of a particular, like transaction, right? So here, what is happening? First of all, we have to create a sample document. Okay, sample document. First of all, what you have to do, I think here our configuration is there.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
Sir, for this cash transactions, we use cash journal, right, sir? So, what's the use of this sample document?
See, I'll tell you. I told like earlier what is happening that some internal one guy was there. He used to take care of all this, right? Now what is happening?
Yeah.
So generally, I have simplified it. Right earlier, his that internal employee was there. He was like arranging all the local laborers, electricians, features, or whatever these plumbers were there. Now he left the organization. Right. So what happened? Now
Okay.
one outsider firm came into picture, and they have given this entire contract that you just do one thing. You have to like if we have any kind of requirement, we are going to call you. You have to arrange all those things, right? And you have to calculate whatever the charges amounts are there. Every week we are going to make the payment. Okay.
Okay.
So now what is happening in this case? Like two things are there. Even that form can be created as a vendor also. That form can be created as a vendor. They are going to send the invoices every week. They are going to send the invoices. It is going to be posted, and finally payment is going to be made. Right. I just simply created as a JV that okay, it can be posted in the form of JV. So they have removed this transaction from cash journal, saying that no, now it is going to be posted in the proper format because now no cash distributions are happening. That guy is going to send the invoices, and with reference to that, we are going to post the transaction. So it is removed
Okay,
from
sir.
cash journal. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now here, and this is the real what to say. It is already happened in my previous implementation, guys. Right. So now here, what is happening? So first of all, so now as I said, like multiple transactions are getting posted on regular basis. Multiple transaction in the sense like might be every after 2 days, every after 3 days, or might be every day also. Okay. So now here, what common thing is like every details will be same except amounts. Amounts will be different every time. Bank GL and office maintenance GL is coming into picture, right? So now here in that case, what is happening? So we'll do one thing. We'll create a reference document. Okay. So before creation of a reference document, guys, first of all, you have to create a number range. FP at one. For reference document, I mean to say we'll create a sample document, right? So before creating a sample document, what we have to do? First of all, you have to create a number range. Okay, here now. So guys, which code supposed to be given here? Which code supposed to be given for number range? Always x2. No 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or ABC, nothing. X2. There is a logic behind this. We give year, and here let's suppose I'm given 3000 to 3999. So this x2 we have given here. Save it. Now here, guys, whenever you have to create a number range, guys, see if you have to create any number range for JV posting, for invoice posting, for payment posting, you are having choice to give this number range code 01, 02, 03, 04, 14, 15, 16. Anything can be given by you people. But while creating a number range for this sample document, the range could be entered anything, but number range code is not our choice. Always x2 itself is going to be given. So what we have to do? You have to create a number range for sample document. Now the next one is you have to post a sample document. Okay, how to post it, guys? I think at least 01. Let me check it. If there's 01, we can use or else, yeah, this one, or else another transaction code is FBM1. This is also very famous, which is being used. Look at here, guys. There is no changes in terms of screen. Right? Any transaction code can be used here. Now, Now here guys, okay, and okay, so here the only difference is here by default AB document type is appearing, right? And here, okay, so here no document type is appearing. So let's suppose AB, SA, any document type can be given. There is no issues. Company code. Now I'll tell you. Okay, debit. Debit, let's suppose office maintenance. Have I created an GL? Okay, so I've created a GL office maintenance 4001 and press enter. Amount, any amount guys, let's suppose 2000. And here, if you want to specify text, you can, or else you can leave it also. So let's suppose bank account. And here, same amount. Now, okay, just post it. So guys, if you post it, look at your document, 3000 was stored in the company code, this one. Now here, if you check the impact, so there is no impact, 4000, it says no posting, right? Okay, now, so what is happening? There was a document, 3000 got created. This 3000 is our sample doc. Okay, this 3000 is our sample doc. So this sample document is going to be used as a reference. Now next time onwards, whenever we have to post any such kind of transactions, then what happened guys? We are going to post the transaction with reference by taking a reference of, let's suppose, go to FB50. Click on go to and click on post with reference. No need to give your date. These all details and all, GL account or whatever it is, right? Simply click on post with reference. Okay. Here we are going to give the reference document number 3000, fiscal year, and nothing else. Press enter. So here guys, everything is same. If somebody want to give something, here can give, right? Now here GL account will be as it is, no change. Press enter. If you press enter, nothing is there. Simply system has shown you that yes, this is what the transaction, right? So guys, here what is happening? You can post it. Look at here how quickly there is no item category assigned. There is a logic behind this one, guys, but will not be explained right now. Whenever you guys get any such kind of issues, you have to go to here document splitting and deactivate the document splitting and save it. Whenever this error appear, okay. Now press enter. So once again we have to use FV50 guys. And okay, so now here click on go to post with reference. Okay, give the document number, sample document number, and press enter. Look at here, by default document date and posting date, everything is taken by system, GL accounts automatically. And if you press enter, no need to give anything. Pretty simple way that debit credit every GL appear, right? And you can post it. So document number, this one was posted. I'll tell you guys, look at here, when you generate a sample document, while creating a sample document, a different number range was it, different document number was it getting. But if you use that sample document as a reference, so here what is happening guys, system is going to trigger this SA document type, and against that whatever number is there, that is triggered. So this is a complete transaction. Now here, okay, so it got posted, right? Somebody had changed the screen layout. Okay, anyway, now I'll just, okay. Now if you want to post, so always guys, generally what happens, if you don't enter anything here, then you cannot change the amount. So always what is happening, all the things will be as it is. Simply click on do not propose amount and press enter. So here what is happening guys, everything will be as it is, right? Look at here, nothing can be changed. Press enter. So system is proposing GL account posting key. Even if you have specified the text, that is also going to be proposed by system, but system has not proposed the amount. So amount as per our requirement can be kept. As per our requirement can be kept here. Right? Now you can post it. Post it here. Yeah, now document this one is posted. So look at here. Now what is happening? It's quite easy guys. Instead of giving all the details, what is happening? A sample document already created, and by the help of that sample document, what is happening, simply we can post. If the amount is also matching it exactly, then no need to do anything, simply we can post. Or else if amount is different, people will just click okay, do not propose the amount, and the amount is going to be given, right? Remaining all the details will be same. So what is the sample document guys? Sample document is a reference document. Sample document is going to be used by system as a reference document, which is going to use to post the transactions, and it simplify our, like you can say work, because instead of giving multiple details, right? Here what happened, similar transactions are taking place on every time. So we create a sample document, and with reference of sample document, easily people will be able to post the invoices. In that case, only they will change the amount. Remaining all the things will be added. Right. Now here, now if you want to edit, if you want to change the sample document, that also FB empty. So here the document number, you have to enter sample document number, fiscal year, present. So here you can change. Let's suppose here, right? You click here, you want to enter, okay, and you can save it. Okay. Now, if you want to delete a sample document, that also can be done. I think a different transaction is there. Let me check it. So company code TM33. If you give this one, and execute. So all whatever the sample documents are there, all sample documents are going to appear here, right? Whichever you want to delete, that sample document number you have to give here. Remove the test run, keep this reference document type as it is, execute and delete. So now what is happening, guys? No sample document. Go to FB M3 for display. It's not. I'll come back on my question. So by looking at this thing, guys, tell me, can we reverse a sample document, guys? Anyone? Yes, no,
Yes, sir. We can
we,
reverse.
we can reverse. Okay. Anybody who want to say no, we can't? So how can we reverse, guys? Can anybody let me know how can we reverse a sample document? Okay, we'll do one thing. So again, Amita is saying no, we can't. So you have to justify. We have deleted. No, dear, it's okay. We have deleted. It's okay. But I'm saying, like, is it possible to reverse? Right? Okay, just do one thing. Now this time, 3,000. So 3001 got generated. Go to F.08. By this one, we are going to reverse or what? Slash and FB08, I think. Or what is the transaction code, guys? Yes. Document number 3001. And is it possible? Nothing. Right? If I save it, system is not allowing. Why system is not allowing, guys? If you say we can reverse, then system is not. So what mistake I have done? Someone tell me. I'll tell you, guys, this is a very simple question. Yes.
Document number is wrong.
Document number is wrong. But
Yes,
sample
sir.
document, the sample document which got created, that is 3001 itself, dear.
Sir, but we posted
Is
no,
it
there.
What we
SC
posted.
so,
document,
so
right?
is it like it is a temporary document and we can't reverse, but we can delete it? Is it like that? I'm not sure.
Okay. Somebody is saying that document has to be cleared. So look at my question, guys. Don't go on this one. I'm saying, like, can we reverse a sample document? I have created a sample document. Is it going to be reversed or not? That simple you have to say. Right. Now you guys are saying that first of all we have to post a transaction. Then my question is simple. Right? You tell me whether we can reverse this sample document or not. Yes, no. If you say yes, you have to justify. If you say no, you have to justify, right? One justification I have received from Momita. What about other people?
Yeah, yes, sir. We can reverse a sample document. How we reverse a regular document in a similar manner, I think we can reverse this
That's what
sample
I have
document
tried.
also.
That's what I have tried, dear. You now tell me what to do. Here. Is there anything missing? The document number, sample document which we have created, that is 3001. The next one, right? Now I want to reverse it. So it is system is not taking. Any mistake I have done? So guys, you just apply your common sense, right? See, there is an answer from Hardik. We have option called delete for sample document. Then might be we cannot reverse the document. So guys, may or might is not going to work out. Right? You have to be confident. And of course, you cannot reverse a sample document. Why you cannot reverse the sample document, guys? Because sample document is not a complete transaction, right? You guys are going to reverse a transaction. Which transaction, guys? Transaction means for which the accounting entry got generated, right? An accounting entry got generated here in sample document also, guys. But what about the GL account? Is it updated? I clearly told you guys while this 3001, right? So GL account is not updated. It's 2000 and 1500. That is the transaction which we have posted, right? Where is this sample document? While posting a sample document, it is not going to update the GL balance. So if GL balance is not updated, then where is the transaction? You can reverse a transaction only, right? I don't know whether you guys are able to understand or not. It's pretty simple. So here, if someone says that can we reverse a sample document? No, we can't reverse a sample document. Why we can't reverse a sample document? That you have to justify, right? If someone asks like, okay, what is sample document? Or what is the use of sample document? That is pretty simple to say, right? Sample document is nothing but it is used as a reference for transaction posting, right? But if the question is why can't we reverse a sample document, or can we reverse? No, we can't reverse. Why? Look at here. Because see, look at here. When we enter and post a sample document, the system store the document, guys. Right? Look at here. Transaction, that document is getting generated, right? So it says document got posted, right? But while sample document is getting created, it says that document this one got stored. It is not posted, right? So system stores the document but does not update any transaction figure in the GL account. And if it is not getting updated, if the GL account is not getting updated, then this cannot be treated as a complete transaction. And if transaction itself is not posted, then where is the reversal? What for reversal, right? So that's what you have to say, that no, it is not. It is not possible. Why? Because sample document is not a complete transaction, right? Because here, while creating a sample document, that GL balance is not getting updated. System is simply going to store this transaction somewhere, right? Now, what happened while okay? So while creation of sample document, right? While creation of sample document, I have given document type SA. SA document type means one series number range, but system is going to trigger three series, in the sense 3000 or 3001, right? So here what happened, guys? See, this document type concept is not going to work out here for sample document creation. Okay, when you post a transaction, then system is going to trigger your document type. But when you post a sample document, system SAP has given a dedicated transaction code. Let's suppose FBM1, I think, right? So when you use FBM1, system is going to trigger the document type, number range directly, text to number range itself. No matter whether you have given SA document type, AB document type, or any ABC document type, that doesn't matter. System directly going to check this text2. How? So generally, I think for you guys, it is not possible to understand at this point of time. But generally, what happens when you post a transaction, right? When you post a transaction, guys, in background, multiple programs are going to be triggered, right? In background, what happened? Multiple programs are going to be triggered, and that too, the programs are having certain sequences, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiple programs are going to be triggered by system. Sometime what happened, guys, if there is like, so if the sequence is broken, right, after 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6 is missing. If 6 is missing, then system is not going to read out 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So if the sequence is broken, in that case, one technical issue appear that is called dump. That is called runtime error. You guys might have seen, right? While posting the transactions, runtime error was appearing recently, right? That is called dump. Okay, it means in background, the whatever this SAP programs are there, that is not being executed in proper way, guys, in a sequence wise. That is why dump is taking place. Why dump is taking place, guys? From technical side, in the sense from technical consultant, somebody in the sense technically someone has made the experiment. Functional consultant, we don't know which program is getting triggered in background, how it is getting triggered and all. We don't know. We are not the technical consultant, right? So generally what happened, why system is going to trigger this X2. So generally, as I said, that multiple programs are getting triggered. So for sample document also certain program is going to be triggered. Right? So when that program is going to be triggered, in the program itself, this number in X2 is hard coded. Now, what is this hard coded, guys? This hard coded, you guys will come to know, don't worry. Later, I'll have to explain. There'll be another explanation will be there. That too, like certain topic is there. I'll explain the logic behind this hard coding and all. What is called this hard coding? These words, guys, generally, if you watch the YouTube videos and all, these things you won't be finding. Right? These are the okay. So generally, what happens is X2 in the program itself. This X2 number range is hard coded. When you post a sample document, system is going to trigger that program, and from there itself, system is going to trigger this number range code X2. Whether you have given SA, AB, or any other document, doesn't matter whichever number range code we have assigned, system always going to trigger this X2 document number range on. Okay, number range code. And against X2, whatever range we have given, that is going to be triggered. Okay, so for sample document, guys, your document type doesn't matter. Okay, your document type doesn't matter. While creation of sample document, system directly going to trigger this X2 number range code, and this X2 is somewhere it is hard coded in the program. So that is why system is going to trigger directly this X2 itself. So that is why I said, guys, whenever you create a number range for sample document, you must have to give X2 number range code only. If you give any other number range code, then what happens? Nothing. System will not be able to trigger. Okay, so this is all about the sample document, guys.